Like many fans of Animal Crossing, I've been starting to feel that familiar feeling of burnout with New Horizons. The problem though is that this is easily my favorite type of game, so I'm always eagerly waiting for someone to come around, take this concept, and build on it in a productive way. And it's finally happened. On July 14th, Dinkum will release on Steam in early access. I wanted to do a quick comparison between these two games and show off the biggest similarities and differences. For example, your first moments in both of these games are basically exactly the same. You arrive on a deserted island. You seek a change, a challenge. You want a new place you can call home away from all the hustle and bustle of the big city. Before you even get a chance to look around, you're asked to place down a tent that will act as your base camp as you build out your new home. Look familiar? You're also given a tent of your very own. This is where things got really interesting for me. In placing down these first two establishments, I took time to appreciate that I could rotate buildings and the camera. This is something I often forget that I can't do in Animal Crossing games, but I can't imagine just how much more customization we'd be able to do if this were possible in New Horizons. While building in Dinkum will itself be refreshing for Animal Crossing players, unlike Animal Crossing, this isn't just a building simulator. You see, Dinkum is based off the wild Australian outback, and as such, pretty much everything wants you dead. Wait. Oh my gosh, it rams me like a bull. What the heck is that? I wasn't anticipating a horde of them chasing me. I found it really easy to survive though, even in combat situations. I would say that Dinkum in this way is definitely more fun than frustrating, like some survival games can be. Another thing that sets Dinkum apart from Animal Crossing is the massive randomly generated map. Getting around such a vast landscape with multiple biomes offers a lot of exploration opportunities. Fortunately, you don't have to stick to walking as you progress through the game, which is very exciting. You can craft, terraform, buy and sell items, create farms that feature crops and animals, make friends with townspeople, and most importantly, you can play Dinkum online with friends. If you want a deeper look at this game, I've started streaming it over on my other channel, and that first stream is on screen now for you. Below, you'll find a link to Dinkum's Steam page as well.